Hello everyone, it's Len from Mercury Man Garage and Outdoors. Well, we're in the Woodyard today and we're doing some cleanup. We got a lot of scrap wood laying around from the woodshed build and from cutting up wood over the last couple of weeks. We just had a bunch laying around, so we did some cleanup and we started a big brush fire, got them all burned up, and I had a pile of poplar that I wanted to do something with, and I got to thinking, well, maybe that'll make good kindling. So let's find out. Stay tuned. So this is it right here, guys. I've had this stuff laying around for a couple of months now, and this is really nice straight grain wood. I'm fairly certain it's dry. Don't really want to add this to my firewood bundles. Not right now anyway. We'll see. I got a little pile left over there, but I'm going to try to split these up on C-slow and see how well poplar works as kindling. That stuff split up really nice, but it was kind of dangerous. That stuff's got some spring in it. As you can see, most of them ended up over there as they sprang away from the splitter. Had to be very careful with splitting these. I think you know what I mean. But I think these will work out just fine. And it smells nice and minty. So these smell really good. But I think this will make some really nice kindling. looky there, I missed one. There we go. Alright, there we go, guys. Got all that poplar split up, and I'm going to use it as kindling. I think this will work out real nice, and it's got a nice aroma to it, and to me it smells kind of minty, but I wasn't sure that poplar had a minty smell to it. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Does poplar, after it's split, have a kind of a sweet minty smell to it? And over here we have some chunks of cherry. This is what I'm going to use for smoker wood. This is all cut-offs and stuff, big chunks that I had left over, and I just stuck on this pallet, these pallets. Actually got some more pallets from neighbor Skip. He stopped by the other day and he said he had some scrap pallets that he could get rid of and offered them to me. So I said, yeah, I'll take them. But this is what I'll be using them for, just for quickly drying, like kindling and cut-offs of cherry and cooker wood and stuff like that. I'm not going to be using pallets for stacking firewood for long-term storage. That'll be right there. That's my long-term storage. Not a fan of pallets. But anyway, they do serve a purpose, and they're free, so they're not all that bad. But as you can see, we got this all cleaned up over here now. This is looking much better. I got to get in here and spray, because let's see here if I can find some. We got to get rid of that. It's all over in here, small plants of it, and I can't get close to that stuff. Got a little stack of walnut right here that I should get out of here probably do that tomorrow, get that somewhere and get that drying, and just going to mix that in with my mixed firewood bundles. But brush pile is burnt up. That's good. So I think that's going to do it, guys. Getting back to these pallets that I have over here, guys. I guess you could just call those my bins. Everybody's getting away from stacking, it seems like, and going more towards bin storage. So those are my bins. I'm standing here next to this cherry, and man, does that stuff smell good. Nice stuff. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to do it for today. Just wanted to throw together a little video on kindling and woodyard cleanup, and what do you guys use for kindling, and do you think poplar's a good wood for kindling? I think it's going to be just fine. But anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment. Really do like reading your guys' comments on what you do as opposed to what I do, and get some ideas on what you guys are doing. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Remember, find your thing. Have a good one.